Are you sure you two have not done it before? You're both well away. Are you into the arts and crafts as well? Not so much.
Yeah, no, when the kids were little, we did a lot, didn't we, Sis? Sand art was one of my favourite.
You've got a knack for it. You've definitely got the touch for it, and you're just Speedy Gonzales. There's no holding you back.
Whoa.
Which was the dark and which was the light?
The yellow's a bit powerful.
Which was the dark and which was the light?
I think the one with the blue stick was
The dark.
darker.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Which means it doesn't expand as much.
Yeah, but don't use that tool because it's just going to be too much paint. Use the thinner
one.
tool. Yeah, it's just going to load up too much paint otherwise. There you go.
That's my favourite. I'm experimenting. I think this is going to end up looking like a feather.
It does, yeah. And to make it more, you could actually pull the sides in if you wanted to feather it.
Well, that one goes much bigger, doesn't it?
Oh, I like that.
Well, that's a great start. This is only your second attempt, isn't it? And you're well away.
And then I've got to go sideways for this one.
So you need to go, So what happened, the reason they're out of line is because you probably went very deep, so it's pulled them out.
Right, okay.
So the other one is actually there, so they're now out of...
Fine, okay.
It's not the end of the world, though. Floating
Oh
thing.
my gosh, goodness
Oh, it's
gracious.
a Brexit
I
parcel.
actually quite like that. Susie, what do you think of
That's
that?
Oh,
good.
that's beautiful, Mum. I love it.
Isn't that lovely?
Yeah, you've taken to that
Yes,
immediately.
I like that. Okay.
And
yeah,
the
I like
colours work really well together. It looks, it's almost
I like
like
that.
spring. Spring's coming.
that. Yeah.
Winter always turns to spring.
Okay, can